The revolt of 1857 started from which place? Answer: C. Meerut. The revolt of 1857 began in Meerut on May 10, 1857, when Indian soldiers rebelled against British rule due to the introduction of the Enfield rifle cartridges allegedly greased with cow and pig fat. Who was the leader of the revolt of 1857 in Kanpur? Answer: A. Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib led the revolt of 1857 in Kanpur and played a significant role in challenging British rule. Who was the Viceroy of India during the partition of Bengal, 1905? Answer: A. Lord Curzon. The partition of Bengal was implemented by Lord Curzon in 1905 to divide Bengal based on religious lines, which led to widespread protests. Which movement was launched after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Answer: A. Non-cooperation movement. The non-cooperation movement, 1922-2, was launched by Mahatma Gandhi as a response to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, 1919. Which session of the Indian National Congress declared Purna Swaraj, complete independence? Answer: B. Lahore Session, 1929. The Lahore Session of 1929, under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru, declared Purna Swaraj, and set January 26, 1930, as the first Independence Day. Who was the first Indian to become the President of the Indian National Congress? Answer: C. W.C. Banerjee. Vomesh Chanda Banerjee was the first President of the INC in 1885. Which act is known as the Black Act? Answer: A. Rowlatt Act, 1919. The Rowlatt Act allowed the British government to arrest individuals without trial, leading to strong protests, including the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Who founded the Arya Samaj in 1875? Answer: C. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. The Arya Samaj was founded to reform Hindu society and oppose social evils. The Swadeshi movement started after which event? Answer: A. Partition of Bengal, 1905. The Swadeshi movement, 1905, aimed to promote Indian goods and boycott British goods in response to Bengal's partition. In which year was the Pune Pact signed? Answer: B. 1932. The Pune Pact was signed between Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in 1932 regarding the representation of depressed classes. The term, drain of wealth, was coined by. Answer: B. Dadabhai Nauroji. Dadabhai Nauroji highlighted how British policies drained India's wealth in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. The First War of Indian Independence is also known as. Answer: A. The Revolt of 1857. The Revolt of 1857 or Sepoy Mutiny is often referred to as India's First War of Independence. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer: A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gokhale guided Gandhi in Indian politics and inspired his early activism. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in which year? Answer: B. 1931. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact, March 1931, ended the civil disobedience movement and led to Gandhi's participation in the Second Round Table Conference. Who led the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928? Answer: C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Bardoli Satyagraha was a peasant movement against increased land revenue demands by the British. The partition of India was based on which plan? Answer: C. Mountbatten Plan. The Mountbatten Plan, June 3, 1947, led to the partition of India and the creation of Pakistan. Which event led to the suspension of the non-cooperation movement in 1922? Answer: C. Chauri Chura Incident. After violent protests in Chauri Chura, UP, Gandhi called off the movement. Who was the founder of the Prarthana Samaj? Answer: C. Atmaram Pandarang. The Prarthana Samaj promoted social reforms in Maharashtra. The Vernacular Press Act was passed by which viceroy? Answer: A. Lord Lytton. The Act, 1878, restricted Indian language newspapers to suppress nationalist sentiments. Who was the founder of Banaras Hindu University, BHU? Answer: B. Madan Mohan Malaviya. BHU was founded in 1916 by Malaviya to promote higher education. When was the second Roundtable Conference held? Answer. B. 1931. The second Roundtable Conference was attended by Mahatma Gandhi. The Kakori conspiracy took place in which year? Answer. B. 1925. The Kakori train robbery was organized by revolutionaries like Ram Prasad Bismil. Who was the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Service, ICS? Answer. A. Satyendranath Tagore. Satyendranath Tagore became the first Indian ICS officer in 1863. The Pune Pact was signed between which two leaders? Answer. A. Mahatma Gandhi and B. R. Ambedkar. Signed in 1932, it granted political representation to depressed classes. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Answer. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Founded in 1828, it aimed at social and religious reforms. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in which city? Answer. A. Bombay. The first INC session was held in Bombay in 1885 under W. C. Banerjee. Which revolutionary organization was founded by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar? Answer. D. Abhinav Bharat Society. Savarkar founded Abhinav Bharat Society in 1904 for armed resistance. The Quit India movement was launched in response to? Answer. B. The Cripps mission's failure. The Quit India movement, 1942, was launched due to the failure of the Cripps mission. Who was known as the father of the Indian Renaissance? Answer. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He played a key role in social and educational reforms in India. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? Answer. A. Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for Gitanjali. Who was the Viceroy of India during the partition of Bengal in 1905? Answer. A. Lord Curzon. The partition of Bengal was implemented by Lord Curzon to weaken the nationalist movement. Which act introduced the system of Dyaki in India? Answer. B. Government of India Act, 1919. Dyaki was a system where certain powers were transferred to Indian ministers. Who started the Home Rule movement in India? Answer. A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant. The Home Rule movement, 1916, aimed for self-governance. Which Indian leader is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Patel played a crucial role in integrating princely states into India. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Answer. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru wrote Discovery of India while imprisoned in 1942-46. The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were introduced in which year? Answer. B. 1919. These reforms introduced Dyaki and limited self-government. The Indian Councils Act of 1861 was passed during the tenure of which Viceroy? Answer. A. Lord Canning. This act marked the beginning of the Indian representation in governance. Who wrote Unhappy India? Answer. A. Lala Lajpat Rai. The book was written as a response to Catherine Mayo's Mother India. Who led the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928? Answer. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Patel led the Bardoli farmers' protest against high land revenue taxes. The All India Muslim League was founded in which year? Answer. A. 1906. It was founded in Dhaka to promote Muslim political interests. The Cabinet Mission Plan, 1946, was sent to India by which British Prime Minister? Answer. B. Clement Attlee. The Cabinet Mission Plan aimed to discuss India's independence and constitutional framework.